How to add contacts in WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add contacts in WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to add contacts on WhatsApp, all you have to do is simply open up the WhatsApp Messenger application here. And once you launch the WhatsApp Messenger app, you will see this type of interface. To add a contact, just tap on the messaging icon from the bottom right of the screen here. Once you tap the messaging icon from the bottom right, you'll find the option right here known as new contact. So tap the new contact option. And once you tap on new contact option, you'll find the first name, the last name, the country, and then so on. And once you enter your phone number, just tap on the save option from the bottom of the screen, and then those contacts will get added to your WhatsApp. And this way you can add contacts on WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.